ayati qira'a syi'ari kun aliman wa la takun jahilan. Uhibbu al-lughatul arabiyyah laqaw biha lughatul Qur'an tamattu fil mahdi al-falah abu lamku. Uhibbu an uridu amala ta'limi ila jami'a fil fatihah syukran ya husnil ihtimam. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nabila Nurul Srega. I come from Aceh Jaya. I was born on 20 of October 2005. My hobby is reading. My motto is be knowledgeable and be don't stupid. I like English because English is an international language. I'm alumni of Islamic boarding school Al-Falah Abu Lampu. I want to continue my education in University Poltekkes Kemenkes Aceh. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.